Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best stepping stone molds for concrete available on the market. This stepping stone mold by Autumn is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to add a personal touch to their garden pathways. Made from durable plastic, these molds are reusable, making them a sustainable choice for your garden projects. Let's talk about why this mold stands out. Firstly, it allows you to create beautiful stepping stones with a unique footprint design. Each mold produces stones that measure approximately 13 inches by 7 inches and are 1.5 inches thick, ideal for creating a sturdy walkway through your garden. One of the best things about this mold is its ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, you'll find it straightforward to use. Simply pour in your concrete mix, let it set, and voila! You have custom stepping stones ready to enhance your outdoor space. The molds are designed to be sturdy and durable, ensuring they can withstand multiple uses without losing their shape or effectiveness. This durability makes them a cost-effective investment for anyone looking to beautify their garden. What's also noteworthy is that Autumn is a small business proudly manufacturing these molds in the USA. This not only supports local craftsmanship but also ensures high-quality standards and attention to detail. To sum it up, if you're looking for an easy-to-use, durable, and customizable stepping stone mold, Autumn's footprint design is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your garden walkways and creating a lasting impression. That's all for today's review on the best stepping stone molds for concrete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember to check the description box below for more information and links to where you can get your hands on this fantastic product. Until next time, happy gardening!